ओह शिट, 10 बजे की प्रेजेंटेशन आज फिर लेट हो गया।
Run. Run. Run.
ओए पीपीटी स्टार्ट कर दे, सब तेरा ही वेट कर रहे हैं। यार पीपीटी तो रेडी है, मैं तो लैपटॉप लाने ही भूल गया। अबे पीपीटी छोड़, तू ये बता तू ऑफिस तक पहुंचा कैसे? In this video, I am going to share with you some of the most common mistakes that we make upon waking up that can spoil our whole day. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Upon waking up, hearing the alarm, the first mistake that many of us make is that we hit the snooze button. As trivial as it may sound, hitting the snooze button has a twofold impact, mentally as well as physically. When you hit that snooze button, you are giving a clear signal to your mind that it is okay to procrastinate. It is okay to break commitments. Day after day, this becomes a habit and inadvertently it shows up in other aspects of your life. Physically, 10 minutes of extra sleep never makes you feel fresher. In fact, as it disrupts the sleep cycle, it puts your body into a state of sleep inertia which can leave you feeling groggy and disoriented for many hours at stretch. So it is much smarter to set your alarm for the exact time you need to get up and then actually get up. Surely you will feel better. Then almost 80% of the smartphone users check their phone within 15 minutes of waking up every morning. What's the big deal, you might argue? Well, if you consider the power of your subconscious mind, it can make or break your day. Remember when we were young, our parents would advise us to study early in the morning? Today, research has proven beyond doubt that our subconscious mind is highly active during the first 20 minutes of waking up. Scientists call it the alpha state of mind. What you think, what you hear, what you see, and what you say during this state sets the tone for the day. In India, it's common to say, I don't know whose face I had seen in the morning that I had to go through this misery. That's because we always understood very well the importance of mornings. So instead of peeping into social media and stressing yourself, feed your mind with positive thoughts. Rather than reading newspapers, watching TV, checking emails, energize your body by doing yoga and exercise. Rather than getting stuck in arguments, gossip, and bitter discussions, it's time to contemplate on your own life goals and move forward. So put that phone on the side and utilize your me time. After getting off the bed, many people skip making their bed. Don't make this mistake. This insignificant looking task can do wonders to your mindset. Admiral William McRaven in his famous speech said that if you want to change the world, start off by making your bed. Well, there is a psychological reason why it is a mandatory practice for military troops. When you make your bed, it cultivates a sense of discipline in you. It also gives you a small sense of pride that you have completed the first task and encourages you to do other tasks. Making the bed and cleaning the space around not just sets right the room but also declutters your mind. And not to miss the pleasant feeling of coming back after a long day at work to a well-kept room. Then some of us avoid light entering the room. Well, it might feel nice to keep the lights dim in the morning, but the fact is that the longer you keep yourself away from the light, the longer you will feel tired. In fact, it's the best time to take a sun bath. In a breakthrough study in 2019, researchers confirmed that if you expose yourself to morning sunlight, you will experience a greater sense of alertness throughout the day. Sunlight today has been proven to kill viruses and reduce indoor pollution. So don't forget to pull the curtains back as soon as you get off your bed. Then there are some mistakes that we make in the washroom. Quite common is to take an extremely hot shower. Unless the weather is exceedingly chilly, in that case lukewarm showers are acceptable. However, Therefore, generally speaking, in the morning one should always take a cold shower. This is because a hot water bath causes lethargy. On the other hand, cold water baths instantly energize the body and alert the mind. And if you are the one who avoids bathing, no matter how many cups of coffee you drink, you won't be able to experience the optimum energy level. Another mistake that we make is that we often take bath just for the sake of it. One should be actually present while bathing, feeling the water cleansing the body and mind. Then for some reason, if you suppress the urge to empty the bowels or urinate, know that it has a severely damaging effect on the body. After bath, when it is time to get ready for the day, there is one mistake that can be avoided. It's spending a lot of time dressing up. While some waste time finding out their pieces of misplaced clothing, others on the other hand spend too much time deciding what to wear. This creates unnecessary stress and sets the wrong tone for the day. So choosing your dress and also keeping your bag set a night before will not only prevent the needless tension but will also save you from the rush. This brings me to my next point, skipping breakfast. Rushing to the office without breakfast is like racing without fuel. It is important to understand that our sleeping body has been starving for hours and it is in a need of a good nutritious meal. Breaking fast with food which is devoid of nutrition is still a mistake. In fact, we are more likely to experience unhealthy food cravings if we do not eat a healthy breakfast. So decide beforehand and fuel your body well. Talking about fuel, drinking a cup of tea or coffee just after waking up is another thing that we must strive to avoid. We can have it at other times of the day. Just after waking up, it's time for water, plain water. Even lemon water or any other herbal juices are to be consumed thereafter. Lastly, not planning the day. Let's say you plan to go to a new place. Should you drive straight and hope for the best, or is it not smart to use navigation? The answer is obvious. Similarly, a day goes well that goes as per plan, isn't it? Not planning the day gets consumed up without any sense of direction. Of course, planning need not be complicated. Spending just 5 minutes on jotting down the goals you wish to accomplish on a particular day does the job well. It could be chores, habits, projects, or personal passions. Just note them down wherever you are comfortable and keep a track of them. It will right away make you more productive. So these, in my opinion, were some of the common mistakes that if you avoid will greatly improve your brain power. You will feel more energetic throughout the day and you will become much more vibrant and calm. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. If you are looking for a special Ayurvedic oil for your hair, then True Hair's new onion hair oil is a good option. I say special because True Hair comes with True Heater. Of course, we all know that if we apply warm oil on the scalp, it works much better. Although we often feel lazy to warm it. And if it gets too hot, then it's again a problem. Its solution is True Hair's new onion hair oil that comes with True Heater. It heats the oil until 65 degrees and then automatically turns off. It takes about 4 minutes and you get a clear signal as the light flashes off. This is an intelligent product using which you can get the benefit of onion along with 11 Ayurvedic herbs without any hassle. And it's pocket friendly as well. To buy it, click on the link down in the description box. Through that link, you will get 20% off. So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.